In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit free templates in Google Slides. If you want to build a polished presentation fast, templates are the perfect place to start. Open your web browser and head to Google Slides. Sign in with your Google account, and if you don't have one yet, simply create it by following the on-screen prompts. Once you're signed in, you're ready to go. If you're on a Google page and don't see Slides right away, look to the top right for the grid icon, sometimes called the app launcher. Click it to open Google Apps, then choose Slides. This brings you to the Google Slides homepage where all your presentations live. At the top of the homepage, click Template Gallery. You'll see a range of free, professionally designed templates organized by category so you can quickly find something that fits your purpose, whether that's a project update, a portfolio, or a lesson plan. Take a moment to browse. A good match here saves time later. Click the template thumbnail you like, and it opens as a brand new presentation. It's automatically saved to your Google Drive, so you won't lose your work as you make changes. To edit text, click any text placeholder and start typing your content. The template's fonts, sizes, and colors are already set up to look cohesive, so keep typing in the existing boxes to maintain that polished style. If a line wraps in a way you don't like, adjust your wording rather than dragging elements out of alignment. To replace images, right-click the image you want to change and choose Replace Image. Then select where your new image is coming from, your computer or Google Drive. Pick a clear, high-resolution image so it looks crisp on larger screens. Slides will place it into the existing frame, helping you keep the layout consistent with the rest of the design. When you need more content, add new slides by clicking the plus button in the toolbar. Use the small arrow next to it to pick from predefined layouts that match your template, title slides, section headers, content with images, and more. Choosing a matching layout keeps everything uniform and professional. If a slide structure isn't quite right, use the layout drop-down in the toolbar to switch to another predefined layout. This is an easy way to adapt each slide without rebuilding it from scratch. And that's it. Using the template gallery, editing text and images, and choosing the right layouts lets you create professional presentations quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.